In this video, we'll show you what to do if your incoming calls go straight to the voicemail on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So to fix this, first open the quick settings panel. Make sure you haven't accidentally enabled do not disturb mode. If you have, turn it off from here. Next, you need to open the phone app on your phone. Now tap this three dot icon at the top and then select settings. Here you will need to tap on block numbers. Now here make sure you haven't enabled this block calls from unknown numbers, otherwise your Android phone will divert all the calls from unsaved numbers to voicemail. So make sure you haven't done that. Additionally, you can also scroll down to ensure you haven't accidentally added your friend or a colleague to the block contact list. If you have, simply tap this minus icon next to them to start receiving calls and messages from the number. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll all the way down and then tap on supplementary services. In here, tap on call forwarding. Now tap on voice calls. Now make sure all these options are set to no numbers set. Additionally, go back to the previous menu, tap on call bearing, tap on voice calls and make sure all the incoming calls are allowed. So make sure these two toggles are turned off. Now if nothing else works, your last option is to go to the settings app, scroll all the way down and then tap on general management. In here, scroll down and then tap on reset. Here scroll down again and then tap on reset mobile network settings. Finally tap this reset settings button at the bottom and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.